Hi! Hi!
No bite.
Who's there?
Kai. No. Come. Come.
Why are you with this middle-aged weirdo? Does he have a lot of money?
Ready? Red cheese.
Who's hungry?
Cheese it?
I do, ba do, ba do, I do, ba do, ba do, do, do.
We don't have the space. It's not safe for the girls. It's too warm. They're sweaty. Their hair is starting to be puffy. Can you please go down? Queen.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you. That's a good. I love you. Can you say I love you? Good boy.
I love you.
I love you.
Say I love you.
Say, I love you. Good boy.
I love you.
I love you.
Say I love you.
I love you. Say it. Huh?
Luna, can you say I love you so much?
Say I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Can you say I love you? Yeah.
Скажи, I love you.
I love you. I love you.
All right, boys, the more you work my ass, we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. Mm-hmm. So what are you doing, Callum? So you got
I'm standing right here.
Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, I'm bowling. What are you doing?
I'm shoving my hand up your daughter's ass.
That's not good. Boy, don't get my Agent Orange up.
First of all, that's assault. That's what I did to her last night.
We We gonna be right back. I'm a damn veteran of every Korean restaurant in this area. That makes boy, stop.
You wasn't in Korea. That was a massage
I
parlor.
was too. I got Kung Pao chicken. They gave me a medal and a T-shirt. By God, I'm a veteran. All right, now pay attention. I'm taking my exercises. What are you doing?
I'm practicing them teabag motions on your front porches because they just got a lot of space on it.
Y'all, I'm about to pull this boy's heart out through his nostril. All right, boy, I'm warming up to throw out a pitch.
I'm rearing this thing back because your daughter got a smart mouth.
That's it, you little bastard.
Okay.
Little bastard, I'm over it. I think I fractured my liver chasing that little bastard. Lord have mercy. Good Lord. Somebody call the paramedics. I need to go for Desert Shield something. Shit, fire.
That was the point where we began to become.
What?
Buddy, what you doing?
Oliver.
Meow.
Johnny.
Meow.
I'm gonna be home soon, okay?
Sorry.
Hi, Floyd. What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, you are so cute.
What are you doing? Ollie, what are you doing?
A quick little freestyle for y'all. I saw the ops in the street. I was like, I don't want beef. When they ran up